I've seen that face more than a million